Hello friends, welcome to Civil Academy IAS PCS. Today we are going to talk about an index which has been published for the first time. The name of the index is Global Nature Conservation Index. According to the index, India has been ranked 176 out of 180 countries, which is among the last 5 performers. The index has been published by Goldman Sonnenfeld School of Sustainable Development and Climate Change. The 4 key markers used to assess the index are land management, threat to biodiversity, capacity and governance, and future trends. In India, rapid urbanization and threat to soil and land management are the key issues which has led to the ranking that India has got. इसी तरह की वीडियोस के लिए जुड़े रहिए सिविल एकेडमी IAS PCS के साथ.